Technology hoping to jump ahead in IoT race to GomSpace CubeSat tests. A startup planning a constellation of small satellites to link Internet of Things devices says a recent test using another operator's spacecraft will help it compete with more advanced startups despite not having any satellites in orbit. Technology of Luxembourg used GomSpace's 2GomX4 CubeSats in low Earth orbit to demonstrate waveforms for a future constellation. The tests began in July and will continue until the end of the year. In an interview, Omar Kays, founder and CEO of ACT Technology, said the test showed how the company could leverage satellites from other operators by reprogramming their onboard software-defined radios to link with sensors, machines and other Internet of Things devices. If we find a flying, software-defined radio on any other satellite that fits our requirements, we could simply use that to provide direct machine-to-machine services by uploading our software, Kays told Space News. If we don't find that, then the next step is a hosted payload. If we don't find that, then the third step is really building and launching our own satellites. Technology is one of around 24 companies hoping to capture a piece of the Internet of Things market. Many of its competitors, including Kepler Communications in Canada, Australian startup Fleet, Dutch ventures Astrocast and Hyber and US startup Swarm already have their first few small sats in low Earth orbit. Kays said Technology's phased approach to getting IoT payloads deployed will help the 8-person startup keep its costs low. He declined to say how much the company, founded in 2016, has raised. GomSpace of Denmark and Sweden launched the GomX4A and 4B satellites in February 2018 on a Chinese Long March 2D rocket. The Danish Ministry of Defense financed the first satellite, which carries an imaging payload. The European Space Agency funded the second satellite, which carries several tech demonstration payloads. In a news release, Technology said it tested 5G IoT technologies on the 6-unit GomX4 spacecraft. Kays said Technology is basing its satellite system on the narrowband IoT radio standard developed by the third-generation partnership program, 3GPP, an international standards body, instead of LoRa or Sigfox, standards several other operators have rallied around. There will be a lot of candidate technologies, but history has shown that with mobile technology, what survives at the end is what follows and supports the global standard, Kays said. That's why we decided to take a different approach from others and really align ourselves with a 3GPP narrowband IoT standard. Technology will seek partnerships among cellular communications companies, he said, particularly mobile network operators and chipset manufacturers. Kays said Technology will announce plans for its first batch of payloads or satellites very soon. He declined to say how many payloads and or dedicated satellites ACT Technology desires. Hey guys, I need your help. Please subscribe this channel. I will always grateful for your kindness. Have a great time ahead.